everyone, today I'm going to show you how to put your Etsy shop onto vacation mode. So it's Adrienne here from Crafty Little Gnome Custom Jewelry and Crafty Little Gnome Business, and I teach people how to sell on sites like Etsy and Amazon handmade. So here we are on the main page. This is my shop here, and I'm going to show you how to put it on vacation mode. So the first thing we're going to do is go up to Shop Manager. It's a little bit covered here by this thing I have here in my okay, so we clicked on Shop Manager, and now we're going to go over to Settings, and we are going to go to Options. And then we're going to click on vacation mode, and we're going to click on. Your shop is on vacation, and you can write a little message here. So this is going to go at the top. Hello, I am on vacation until the 15th. See you soon. And you can also do a message auto reply. So if anyone sends you a message to your inbox, you can have this auto reply here. Hi, I'm on vacation until the 15th. Please feel free to reach out to me at adrieneaudrey@gmail.com, or whatever you want to put there. You don't have to put an email. And click on save, and you're good to go. Your shop should be on vacation within the next half hour. I like to put my shop on vacation the day before I leave, just in case there's anything pending. It has time to work through the system, and you don't want to accidentally miss out on any sales that are just kind of going through at the time that you're putting it on vacation mode. And there you go. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to take it off of vacation. So this is what your screen is going to look like, the storefront, when you are on vacation. It just has your Crafty Little Gnome is taking a break, and your little note from the shop owner that we did here. And then it's just going to be your reviews that show up instead of the actual listings. So what you want to do again is just go up here, the corner to Marketplace, or sorry, Shop Manager. And you're going to click on Settings, Options, Vacation Mode, Off. Your shop is active. You don't need to worry about updating these because they're just going to disappear. Click on the Save button. Your shop is active. So again, heads up, it may take a moment to save your changes to your vacation mode status. Please wait a few moments to update your status again. So then we can go over to sales channels, and you can see everything here. So it's all good to go. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and make sure you take a look at some of my other videos for lots of tips on how to sell on Etsy and Amazon handmade. And be sure to go ahead and grab my free ebook on how to sell on Etsy. I have a link in the comments, or sorry, I have a link in the video description. And we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.